The stall design we went with was a BioRail system. In our old maternity pen, we had put in a single beam system, and there was a lot of rotation of our stalls. We wanted something that wouldn't allow the twisting action with a single point, and that's how we landed on the BioRail system.
The driving force why we chose this stall design, we were looking for a good cantilever stall design, so we wanted something that was going to be durable and that would position the cows correctly in the stall.
This is our BioRail freestall system. It's a twin rail design with one rail set above the loop and one rail set 14 inches below that. The main benefit of the BioRail system is our strength. By having two rails spread apart, we're able to fight the torque, we're able to displace the energy that a cow puts on a stall and able to get the stall to stay put over a long period of time.
Stall system, we chose the double rail mostly to have optimal lunging comfort for the cows themselves. There's really not much perching at all. Honestly, it comes down to the cow eats, drinks, and when they actually go to the stall themselves, they really lay down very, very quickly.
With the BioRail, we find that it's very sturdy. It seems to be very comfortable for the cows, gives them proper lunge room to the front. We got proper lunge room to the side, and we seem to get a good position of the cows within the stall.
Having the cow positioned correctly so she's utilizing the stall correctly, that you don't get manure in the stall, is obviously key. We do not have any side lane. They utilize the stalls how they were designed to be utilized. When we do herd check and we let the cows go, you walk by 5 minutes later and darn near every single stall is full. They adjusted very well. We did not have any alley layers. They all utilized the stalls and they just adapt very, very well. We decided to switch from mattresses to sand bedding. Right now it's a cement brisket, Nigel Cook design from UW Extension Office, and we went with that and Dr. Monty's recommendation.
We feel that sand bedding still is the ultimate when it comes to cow comfort. And there's a lot of other options, but for our decision here, it was for the health of the cow and the cleanliness of the cow. So we went for sand bedding over any other choice at the time. We're using the cement brisket board that was kind of designed by Nigel Cook and the group down at Wisconsin. We went with a concrete base mainly because of the fact that deep bedded sand stalls tend to get dug out by the cows sometimes. What we do is we put concrete down about 5-6 inches down, and we have a nice 6-inch base of sand, so we keep the cows positioned yet comfortable on sand.
With the cement brisket, we haven't had any lesions, any injury of any cows. The stalls with the concrete stay very dry. There is no digging. They pretty consistently level. And they get raked 3 times a day.
Raking 3 times a day, you really get that litter coming off the bed right away, so it doesn't really have a chance for absorption into the actual lower depth of the sand itself. The headlocks themselves, we found have been quite a good quality from Artex. From the all-around comfort of the cow, from the opening at the bottom to the top, both ranging at 17 inches, optimizing them being able to pull out and enter from the bottom and the top.
When it comes to eating, she should have her choice. Whatever makes her more comfortable. If she wants to go in the bottom, go in the top, go out the bottom, whatever it may be, she needs to have that ability. So the headlocks that we have allow them to pull out top and bottom.
All Artex self-locks come with noise reducing hardware included. This barn is a very quiet barn, and you don't hear the steel rattling, you don't hear metal part on metal part. While cows are in lockup, you can very quickly and easily do a one-handed release from the top with a cow. You don't have to put your hand into moving parts. You don't have to put your finger through something to be able to release a cow, and it's a quick and easy flip of the flipper. We do have individual management components, like this individual lockup piece, that allows you to keep one cow locked up and release the rest of your row.
You're able to lock up individual cows that are needed and then let the gain go of everybody that's not needed. Well, that 1 or 2 cows stay locked up just with a little gadget that's able to be slid over the top of the locker of the ones you need, which obviously makes management a lot easier as you're going down the line. If you need to come back and do something with a cow, you don't have to have everybody else waiting for you.
Stalls stay extremely clean. There's been no injuries with the stall. We do not see any indications on the cows of any problems at all with the stall or the neck rail at all.
We have seen milk production increase with cows on sand. We've seen lower instances of injury. We've seen better heat detection, better breeding. I mean, right now we're milking about 96 pounds a cow with good components. So that compared to where we were in our old facility is probably 6 pounds of milk. And having the right stall design, getting the cows to lay down, having comfortable cows is what gives you milk, obviously.